Hi friends, today's video gonna be very interesting for you type people because in this currently we are facing couple of things due to COVID-19. Due to that many of the businesses have suffered lots of type of lives related to financial loss. Maybe some of you have lost the lost fund and many other types of things. Here is one of the positive side which I have found from this lockdown. This COVID-19 results. That is that we can see the true color of the peoples. Like there are many people who have promised that we will stay with you in your bad times, we will support you, we will help you, and few of them actually did it so. So it's time for us to rethink in such a manner that we could finally stable such a network that will help you in your bad times. So hi friends, today I welcome you to Entrepreneur's Ring of Modern Day Empire. Here try my best to discuss couple of strategies and many other business related things. So today I have figured out couple of parameters through which we can knock out some of the bad intentions, some of the people with bad intentions around you. So guys, my first point comes with the abuse. Now basically abuse is related to using sign language, related to just using aggressive voice tone against you. Because he is abusing you, that means that he is not respecting you. And if it think about long term basis, so maybe that could be not good. Because couple of people think about it and think that if he's a bad guy or if he's using the aggressive term, so in short term basis if he will suffer couple of disrespect, and long term basis he will generate huge profit and give it to us. So I think that this tendency cannot be in right. More, Warren Buffett has also said once that work only with the people whom do you respect, whom do you admire. So we must think about it. Now, guys, next thing come from the disrespect in a short term. Yeah, we know that there are many of the things going wrong in this nowadays, like due to COVID-19, and there are lots of things going out there. So he or she maybe could suffering in his life. So their disrespect or their anger could be in short term basis. So if this is in short term basis and long term basis, it will be not there. So it is a wise option to keep that guy with you, because he is disrespecting you not because he's want to disrespect you, but he is disrespecting you because he is suffering in his own life also. So we must think of keeping this guy with you, because this guy is loyal, but this guy is because disturbed, so that's why we can accept this type of attitude in short term basis. Now guys, next thing comes from the disrespect or aggressive type of things from his or her employees. Guys, because you are a business person, you have your team, they are business person, he or she are business person, and he or she is having his or her team. When you got chance to interact with his or her team, and his or her team just disrespect you or use aggressive tone or use sign language against you, so it is a clear say. It shows two things. One thing, that he is not having good command is on his or her people, and the second thing comes from the he just indirectly want to insert. In both of the scenario, if you talk about first scenario, then we can see that if his or her people are not controlled by him, so the chances are in future they could leave him, and the things can got completely worst. So it's better to leave him now. And if you talk about second type of condition where he indirectly want to disrespect you, then it is a clear symbol that he has just mean purpose for you, or he is not loyal to you. That's why in both the scenario, it is the wise option to leave that guy. Now guys, next thing comes from the intentional basis. Now basically, legally, if if you if you and your business partner are working on a similar business, and you think that there is some type of trap is going around you, like everyone is acting nice on your face, but behind your back they are just cheating you in types of, they just want to keep you back, or they just want you to handle the responsibilities, and when it comes to the profit, then he or she suddenly appears and take away all the profit with it. So this type of tendency are like of mean people or like of greedy people. So it is also a wise option to leave this kind of people. Now guys, third category comes from your business team. Now basically, if it is a business, so it is a work of one to many people. Now there are lots of people working, and lots of people have lots of suggestions. But the major point comes when they want to dominate you, when they want you to agree with their points, because he or she has seen a couple of things. I know, giving suggestion is one thing, and dominating that suggestion and just dominance is another thing. So this type of scenario must not be present in there. Like if you are owner of the business, so it is your right, or it is your right to just give the final stamp if this decision must be proceed or not. So guys, I tried my best to figure out couple of parameters through which you can identify the business partner which shall not be with you in business. No, because guys, I know that I could be wrong couple of times, and this could give you profit in short term basis, but in the long term basis your business could not survive. Moreover, a good team can generate a good business for long term basis. So friends, thank you for watching this video up till here. We will meet in next video. Till then, subscribe to channel Modern Day Empire, like to this video, put your comments in the comment box so we could get idea that what you're thinking on what do you want from our side. And guys, remember that you're on the entrepreneur's ring of Modern Day Empire. Thank you and bye bye.